Hello, my little mathematicians. I just want to remind you how important it is to please print your notes and homework prior to class starting each day. There is two options. Some of you are picking the packet up from the front lobby area in front of the school office if you opted that on the print survey, or you're printing from home. Okay, those of you that are going to school, okay, again, it's in front of the front office in that room downstairs through those double doors. You'll see a table with a sign that says LRMS on the far left, and then there'll be Math 6 signs, and you look for the packet. Those items will be ready for pickup each Friday for the upcoming week. So on Thursdays after school, we'll make sure that we have them ready for pickup on Fridays. Now, if you can't make it in on Friday, you could run over to school before school on Monday, since it's a late start day, and get it before school. I'd suggest going on Fridays, but if you need to Monday morning, that's fine. The pickup area will be open from 8 to 3:30 on school days. So those are for the people that want to pick it up from school. If you don't want to go onto campus and you want to print them from home, you're going to click the yellow resources button on the home page. It'll bring you to the what should I have printed for this week, and we put all attachments there in one place. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like. So as soon as you sign into my class, it'll bring you to the home page. On the home page, you will see this yellow resource button. It'll be here all year. It won't move. When you click on that yellow resource button, it'll bring you to this what to print for that week. So you can see that week 3, this is every single item you would have needed. So I suggest you print it at the start of the week, and then you have every single item. Here's for week 4. We'll always have the current upcoming week highlighted so it stands out. And so maybe Sunday night, you would want to print every single item so that it's ready to go for the whole week. This is here for if you just want to get all the printing done at once. However, we also have the other option that you could go to the modules section. And from the modules section, you'll see that it's divided up by weeks. And so here's everything we'll do on Monday. Here's everything we'll do Tuesday and Wednesday. Here's everything that will happen on Thursday. And here's everything that will happen on Friday. Notes don't get submitted, but you still want to have them printed so that you can follow along more easily during class. Homework, I strongly recommend that you print, but if you want to work it out on a separate sheet of paper, that's fine. Just please make sure you write down the original questions as well. If you actually click on it from within the modules page, which I actually recommend maybe the night before, and just opening up the blank copy, this will always be here, and double checking that you're ready to go for the next day. So you'll see this is the one that hopefully you already have printed, and you can either find it in your packet of papers that you've printed or in the packet that you picked up, and then you're ready to go and there's no frantic searching for that paper. And if you didn't have it printed from this page, you can print it right here. And so we always leave a blank copy for the notes like this. It'll always be the same format. We'll have the blank copy and then a video just in case the internet cuts out and you weren't able to follow along, or we were talking pretty fast and you missed a little bit, or you were absent. This video will be here going through the notes. And we also have a filled in version. For the homework, we also provide the blank copies. They'll always be towards the top. I strongly recommend that you click those too, because sometimes we'll get started on the homework in class. And so if you want those little helpful tidbits about the homework, it'll be helpful if you already have them printed. And so you can open it up and see like, okay, yes, I have this one printed, and then go ahead and find it and have it ready to go, or you can print it directly from here. It's also a good idea to please click on the blank copies when it's time to submit it to make sure that you're submitting the correct copy into that assignment. All right, and that's everything you need to know in order to make sure that you have everything ready for when class starts. Good luck, and until next time, my little mathematicians.